Hi, this is Brandon on Ellicott Road in Pomfret, New York. Just want to showcase another example of Fulvio Stampone Jr.'s continued harassment towards me and my wife. In this particular instance, it was just me. This is November 30th, 2022, and I'm out in my backyard on the phone with my father, trying to just arrange an appointment. I'm just talking on the phone. So that's all I'm doing. And because I was out in the yard, anytime I'm outside, the Stampones just, they rev their engines, race their ATV, around me, or just the driveway and, this back path here. Anyways, so I'm talking on the phone, just trying to coordinate with my dad about an appointment. And let me fast forward here a little bit so you can see Mr. Stampone rounds the bend. I just wanted to show that, okay, this is him here, Stampone Jr. And then I'm going to pick up on this camera where it'll show him rounding the bend, I believe. Okay, so he goes in his shop. Now, this times aren't going to be completely synced here. In fact, let me just fast forward this a little bit here. Alright, so Stampone Jr. goes into his shop. Alright, these are close enough. Okay, be prepared for some loud sounds at 9:35. So that was 3 shotgun blasts. In this instance, there was no, I couldn't see any shots fired outside his shop. I don't know where he was pointing his gun, but he was right inside there. You just saw him drive in. So that's what he does. He just fires his gun out there. Hopefully no one was in his path. Who knows? But here's another... and then the other day when I was shoveling over there. Now, it just makes me think about this a little more... yeah, it doesn't give me a good feeling. I was just shoveling some millings up here, and I have my headphones on because I just don't want to even hear the nonsense these guys spew out. It's all ridiculous and just blatant lies. I knew someone walked behind me. I didn't know who it was, but I didn't know it was Fulvio Stampone Jr. toting a rifle. Yeah, just walking up right behind me. Now, yes, he didn't point it at me, but given the past couple instances where he's fired his gun, one out the shop across essentially Ellicott Road, and then the shotgun on the 30th, it makes me a little wary. And this guy is a loose cannon. He's even said so himself, so take with that what you will.